Manufacturing has always been about motion. Materials, personnel, equipment, and supply chains move through complex patterns to create value and deliver world-class products. Managing this movement and providing live status from a complex network of resources has been a challenge for manufacturers. QAD provides connected and adaptive capabilities for the transformation to sustainable digital manufacturing. The promise of Industry 4.0 and the associated technology is already driving real benefits. Live connections to production equipment and personnel via mobile devices are shortening the time to knowledge and fueling the ability to execute at the speed of manufacturing itself. QAD has always delivered robust planning capabilities that allow manufacturers to effectively schedule and release production orders. There is increasing pressure for that planning function to adapt to a myriad of minute-by-minute changes. This responsiveness is dependent on coordinated two-way information with the shop floor. Active connection to equipment and material status provides both planning and execution teams with a live view into manufacturing in motion. The Internet of Things connectivity to equipment, warehouse locations, and material movement dynamically animates intuitive displays that allow for rapid response and active management of shop floor activity. Individual work centers and equipment assets can be interrogated for information on production orders, quality concerns, and equipment performance. This raw and detailed data can provide for active and deeper machine learning analytics that will ultimately drive predictive rather than responsive maintenance activity. Integrated collaboration of the complete range of personnel functions is imperative to delivering the full potential of this revolution. Simplified mobile production data capture allows operators to provide order and equipment updates as they happen through intuitive, personalized interfaces. QAD is partnering with our customers in the adoption of advanced and digital manufacturing technologies to meet the rapid rate of business change. Contact QAD to find out how your organization can benefit from becoming an adaptive manufacturing enterprise.